कुछ हाथ से उसके फिसल गया, वह पलक झपककर निकल गया, फिर बिछ गई लाश लाखों की, सब पलक झपकते बदल गया।
सब रिश्ता रात में बदल गया, इंसानों का दिल भी दहल गया। मैं पूछ पूछ कर हार गया, क्यों मेरा भारत बदल गया, क्यों मेरा भारत बदल गया। हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे टू ऑल।
Carried with care, coated with pride, dipped in love, moment of freedoms in shade of joy.
Other might have forgotten, but never can I. May the tricolor of my country falls very high.
Happy Independence Day.
Just remember the bold heritage of our country and feel proud to be a part of India. Happy Independence Day.
A very warm welcome you all in Right Way Coaching. As we are celebrating 75th Independence Day, we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. As we got freedom in this day, our freedom fighter like Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi all make us freedom. We must celebrate this day with a full of enthusiasm and joy. But we should also not forget all those are current problems which are happening or which are increasing in our country. If we will forget, so it is same as we were slavers. Our government should take some initiative steps and think about the problems. So today our motive is to let you remind all those treated problems. Unemployment in one of them. So as we on that, unemployment is a very great and a very biggest problems in our India. In this pandemic, it is increasing day-to-day life. 90% lakh people are unemployed. But now the question arises that before pandemic, was there unemployment problem? Yes, it was there. It is there, and if we will not control it, it will be there. Government should take some initiative steps. They should think about some problems and try to control all those problems. As we all know that, well, in this new generation, all the peoples are well educated. But still, why the peoples are unemployed? In this new generation, the unemployment problem should remove. But why it is increasing day to day? Why it is increasing very much? Because the peoples don't have jobs to feed their family. So we should also take some steps to try to control these problems.
So guys, as we all know that unemployment problem leads poverty. Poverty is the one of the biggest problem in our India. In India, 2/3 of people live in poverty. Every day there are so many farmers, so many poor people. They are dying because of hunger and all. It makes our country one of the poorest country in the world. So friends, the question arises that we are independent. Are we independent? So we are not independent. We are the slavers of our all problems like unemployment problem and many another like poverty. Because of poverty, in our India, the weakest member of the family, they are suffering a lot.
Corruption is the one of the most biggest problem in our area, in our city and in our country. You can see people are taking corruption and giving bribe to others. They both are doing equally crime. You can see in cities, people are giving bribe to others. Why? Because you can see, for an example, richer persons are giving bribe to a government servant and they are making documents very fastly. Because of this corruption is going on.
This is one of the biggest problem in India, and it is increasing and increasing. And due to this COVID-19 virus, now it is increasing rapidly. You can see the rate of petrol, diesel and the eatable items is in the 7th heaven. You can't buy anything. The people are facing so much problems, but the government don't think about the people. The government don't think about the poor people. The government only think about the richer people who have money, and they don't think about anyone. They only think about their self only.
As you see, pollution is a serious issue nowadays. Man has interfered a lot in nature, and pollution is affected by the all sort of life forms, human, animals get also affected.
So let's, as new, we celebrate this Independence Day as the same as earlier, but now as new we should celebrate the Independence Day as special. It's my humble request to government, please think about the problems and try to control all those problems which are increasing in our India in day-to-day life.
हवाओं को बताए रखना, रोशनी होगी चिरागों को जलाए रखना,
लहू देकर जिसकी हिफाजत की हमने,
उस तिरंगे को फहराए रखना,
उस तिरंगे को फहराए रखना,
उस तिरंगे को फहराए रखना। जय हिंद, जय भारत।